Hi, Scott Carmichael, DW Painting. And here, recent video I showed you how to test the wall to see if it had an oil-based product on it or a latex-based product. Okay, so you've done that. You're working away in your house and you've discovered that the wall is oil. So what do you do now? You've got a few options. Good practice would be to scuff sand the wall, do any of your repairs, scuff sand the wall, get rid of your painting. But you can't repaint it in oil anymore. That is no longer an option. It stopped that around 2010, 2012. That's when the federal government mandated no more oil paint for residential use. Okay, so we can't do that. You can oil prime it. Now that's an exception. Primers can be oil. You can oil prime the wall and then top coat with your latex finishes of your choice. Problem with that, it's not the route I would go. Problem with that is the odor and the smell of the oil. It can linger for a few days, and that's unpleasant. And then people worry about VOCs, so let's not go that route. You can go to the other extreme and use a shellac. Use a real shellac or a synthetic shellac. There again, there's an odor issue. Synthetic shellacs, the odors dissipate very quickly within an hour or two, and then you're good to go, and it dries super fast. It's just very toxic. I would wear a mask, wear a respirator ideally, to take out the volatile substances out of the air, so you'll get sick, lightheaded. The synthetic shellacs, they do the same product, same idea. They're man-made, a little cheaper, do the exact same thing, but the smell does linger. It will linger, I mean, up to a week. So there's 3 options. Another option is a latex bonding primer. There's a few of those on the market. I have a couple here that I like to use. Now these two in particular are gloss primers, so you don't have to sand the wall. They will stick to shiny surfaces without doing that. I recommend sanding the wall just to get rid of any little decorations and things that are clinging to the wall, little tits and bits and stuff. Wipe those off with the sand. And then there's 2 you can apply. One would be Stix, which is a white-based latex product. It can be tinted a little bit. A nice light coat of that will work. Let it dry 24 hours. You're golden. The other one I like as well is Sherwin-Williams has one called Extreme Bond. Same concept. Put a light coat on. Let it dry overnight, and you're golden. Put on your thing. Put on your top coats. Now there's very little odor, very little mess. They dry quickly. Now these are adhesion or bonding primers, both of them. This is a Benjamin Moore product, and this is a Sherwin-Williams product, Dulux, and everybody has their own versions. These are the 2 I'm most familiar with. They are bonding primers, adhesion primers. You're not going for coverage. You're just going to put the paint on the wall. They are meant for one-coat applications. A good coat, that's all you need. If you're going over darker colors, they are tintable a little bit if you want. You don't want to cover it, so it's a beautiful coat. It's going to be a weak coat. You're going to see through it. It's just a bonding primer. A second coat of primer on top of that won't necessarily make it cover any better, and it's not going to make it stick any better. So just one light coat of these bonding primers, and you're golden. And that's what you do when your walls are oil. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your projects. Scott, DW Painting. I'm the senior craftsman here. Any questions, just post them in the comments, and I'll answer. Thanks. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.